In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your new level 5 pump. So your pump comes with a gooseneck, a handle, a rubber seal gasket, and your flat box filler. The first thing we're going to do is show you how to install your handle. So this is pretty straightforward. The first thing we're going to do is remove our back pin. We're going to line up the back hole on our handle. We're going to pop that pin through again. We're going to remove our front pin. We're going to lower the handle onto the shaft. We're going to pop that through like that. And now our handle's installed and we're ready to install our gooseneck. Now we're going to show you how to install your gooseneck. The first thing you want to do is grab your little rubber seal gasket and place that over the opening. And what that does is it just ensures there's not going to be any mud that leaks out when we start pumping. We're going to drop one side of the gooseneck in and pivot the upper half. We're going to hand tighten those nuts. And the nice thing about these level 5 pumps is they come with a convenient little wrench right at the front here so you can tighten up those nuts. The box filler installs the same exact way. We'll pivot that out. The box filler just slides right in there like that as well. Drop the top in, tighten up those nuts with your wrench, and then you're able to put in your box filler adapter and you're ready to start pumping. So we've got our pump all set up. We're gonna go ahead and drop that in the mud. And before we put our taper on here, we wanna make sure that we prime the pump a few times. This just ensures that we get all of the air out of the pump in the gooseneck. So we're gonna keep pumping here until we see a little bit of mud come out the top. There we go. So now we're ready to take our taper, flip it upside down and start pumping up, and we know that there's not going to be any air that comes up through the tube. So I hope that video was helpful. Now you're all set to start taping with your new automatic taper. For more tips and tricks, make sure to check out our other educational videos with level 5 tools.